Hello guys, I am sorry it's not been a while since I've uploaded. I have been working on other projects. So today we are going to be fixing and adding stuff to our project. There's a lot of stuff that I missed in the last one that I wanted to add, but I could not. I think I have become a better coder since the last video, so what I'm going to do now is transfer over to my gun script. So, alright, here's my gun script. Now you see, this was our stuff. I still use this type of stuff till this day, but health equals new health, you don't want to do that. What I would rather do is just do this. It's way much more simpler. If I can even do it properly. There we go. Health equals hit dot collider dot get component health, and then you can do health dot take damage, and then you can put whatever value you want in here. I just have it set to that. That's all we have for the gun script right now, so let's move on to the next script. Alright, the health script. The health script is solid, but what I would do is I would take the damage amount, take that out, save that, and then you'll see we'll get an error. We move back to our gun script. We can remove the dot in the health. Then what we can do is go up here, paste in our variable, and we can do damage amount. And then now we can adjust it from our gun. Here's our gun. You see, now we can adjust our damage. Let's say I want to kill him instantly with one shot. Without having to go onto the cube, I can just go on my gun. And now he's dead. Aiming still works and everything, so nothing's wrong with that. Alright. What we should do now is expand our cube on the where is it? Oh, we are in global space. We should expand it on the Z and X axis, not on the Y axis, so our cube and such does not clip through. So we should be able to walk further and such. What I would recommend doing is go to our capsule, turning that on, so we'll be able to see our player. So if we need to debug any of that, we will be able to. Now you see that's a problem right there. We can fix that by backing out, go to our main camera, go to our rigid body, and then unfreeze the Y rotation. And you want to copy this and take your capsule out and put your main camera in that capsule. Then paste component as new. Alright, that attempt didn't go so well. I forgot. I have a script that we will need, so give me 1 second. Alright, I got the scripts in the project, and I will leave them in the description for you to download. You're going to want to keep the same components on everything, but you want to remove the cam script from the camera. Now you want to put mouse hook script on it, and you want to put the first person character body as the parent or capsule. Alright, now that you got your mouse hook script on your main camera, you're going to want to go to your capsule and drag your player movement script onto your capsule. And set your max velo change to 10. Your max sprint speed can be whatever you set it to, as long as it's below or set to the same as velo change. I'll set it to 6, and I'll set my walk speed to 4. Can jump is true, and I'll set the jump force to 5. You're going to want to go to your floor, make a tag called ground. And then now you're going to make that tag ground. And you may have to rebake your object so the bigger scale is applied to that. So now he'll be able to walk on a bigger scale. So now, make sure your components are ready. Make sure your character body is capsule or the parent of the object. And make sure your play movement's on there. And after that, it should work. Okay, I don't think it's working. Okay, you're gonna... Oh yeah, make sure you move your capsule collider from your camera. Make sure the only collider is on the parent. And it appears I have none. So if you find any capsule colliders or any colliders on the children, remove them or turn them off. And then now you want to put them on your parent or the capsule. Let's see if this works. And also make sure you move your rigid body afterwards as well on your camera. Oh, I'm not sure why use gravity is unchecked, but make sure it's checked. And there you go. Player movement is fixed. Our gun is fixed. And also, to get a better animation out of it, I've learned to, when you make your any-state transitions to your animation, you want to make a transition back to your idle. When you're doing that, you want to go to you want to click on your transition to any state to your fire animation. You want to go to settings and put your transition duration to 0.001. Then the transition from fire to the idle, if there's exit time, put it to 0. You want to do the same transition time, 0.001. And the same for the reload. If there's any exit time, put it to 0. And now we should get the full animation instantly and also a better transition. There we go. Perfect. And in the next tutorial, I will teach you how to port everything online. You could make an online game if you wanted to and such. I can teach that using Photon Pun 2, the free version at least. So, y'all have a good night. Bye.